Hello, I welcome all of you once again on my channel. In this video, we'll talk about importance of plotting graphs before any econometrics exercise is done. In order to illustrate this, I have used the package car data which is installed on my R. You can see on the screen. If you have already installed any package on R, you just simply need to call that package by calling library function. So I've done that, and in particular I have used quartet database. So just by running first 3 lines of the command. So this is the data set that we have, and it is called quartet because it consists of 4 data. It's a hypothetical database where for the first 3y the x observations are same, and for the last y x observation is this column. Now what I do is I plot scatter plots of each of these data sets, and then I run 4 simple linear regression model to illustrate that sometimes just judging the results of a model on the basis of statistic that we get might be really faulty when actually we go and understand how your data set actually looks like, and that's why plotting graphs is really important. So I'll simply run the command, and I'll just report the results and illustrate the importance. Alright, so on the right hand side you have the scatter plot of each of the 4 data sets. On the left hand side you have the reported regression result. You can easily verify on the left hand side that all the statistic, right from the coefficient value to associated t statistic and the r squared from each of these regression, is same for all the 4 data sets. However, when you actually come to the right hand side and you see the scatter plot of each of y or each of the data set, what you realize that the closest linear fit to the data amongst all these 4 data sets that we have is for figure 1. Rest, the model 2 or this data set 2 looks like that of a quadratic relationship. In this last figure, what you see is all the respective observations of x are same except for just one value, and which makes, or due to presence of this one value, linear estimation regression model is reported. So it is always very helpful for us if we plot the graphs. Plotting graphs reveal a lot about how your data actually is structured, how it looks like, what is the density of your density function of your variable. So whenever you have any econometric analysis to be performed, first thing that you must do is to plot the graphs. If you have more than one variable, plotting plotting various exploratory data analysis like histogram, density function, quantile on quantile comparison plots, box plots of univariate distribution, and then plotting pairwise correlation graph also helps you a lot. So always remember, plotting graphs is very important, and this example of Anscombe's quartet reveals this information to the true extent. Thank you.